Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your Tinder account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, to simply delete your Tinder account if you're really bored with it or because of any other reasons, you need to first have a Tinder app, which you can easily get to an App Store or Play Store. So simply, first of all, you need to tap on it. To open it just like this, you can see this is my home page for Tinder. So all you gotta do is tap on this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile, so tap on setting just next to add media. This will take you to various options again. Just scroll it down to the very end just like this. So to the very bottom of the page, you can see there's an option of delete account. So simply tap on it. So you can see pause my account or delete my account. You have an option. So simply, if you want to delete your account, just below pause my account, tap on delete my account. And it's asking if we are sure we want to delete our account. So you can even give a simple reason for this. Alright, you can tap on any one of it just like this. Now you can continue to account deletion just like this, and then tap on delete my account. So you can see that it's being deleted, and you can see that I do have a notification on my screen of account deleted, and tap on got it. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you delete your Tinder account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.